Hi guys, I hope you are all doing fine. In this video I am going to show you how you can extract data from Microsoft Word tables into a CSV file. First of all, we have to install a library which is Python docs. Open our Windows terminal. Have to write pip install python/docs and hit enter. It will take some time and install a library. After this we have to move to our code editor, and here we need to import library from docs import document, and after this we have to load our document. We need to give the path of our file, and in this case my file is placed in this folder. That's why I'm not going to give the complete path. I'm just going to give the name of this file. And after this we are going to loop through each table of this file and row by row and extract the data from every cell. Here is the code. To loop through all the tables in this file, we have to use a for loop. And after extracting each table, we have to loop through the each row of the table. To do this we have to use another for loop. To get raw data we have to initialize a list. Let me correct. Here you can see that the data of my tables are there, and here is my Word file. You can see that all the rows are extracted and the data of each row is shown in the terminal of the code editor.